Okay, so in this video I have to give you a little bit of background. So from the way I understand it, a house had a gas leak or something and like pretty much blew off. And then about an hour or two later, a bunch of houses in that area didn't have heat. And then they found that the gas had water in it. Somehow the lines got together. Anyways, a bunch of water was getting in the gas line. So they've got pretty much almost every heating and cooling company out this way trying to take care of that area, because there's so many people that their heat doesn't work, their water heaters don't work if they're gassed. So pretty much spent the whole day. I had to condemn a couple of them, but for the most part I was able to bleed what water was in the gas line out and change the gas valve, and that pretty much took care of everything. I'm not really sure what happened. Do you know what happened? Some water got mixed with the gas or something?
I wouldn't be able to tell you.
Well, there was a water leak or something with the gas company up here. You didn't hear about all that?
Mm-mm.
So water got in the gas lines. So that's why we're here. They got pretty much every company coming out here, out this way doing stuff. We need to find the valve, shut off valve for this. Yeah, there was a huge water leak or something, and it got mixed into the gas lines, or I don't know, what is it? Paying a whole lot of attention. Alright, so we had some kind of huge leak out here involving the gas lines and water, and everybody in this area that had gas pretty much has nothing right now. There's pretty much every company has been called out this way to check everything out. So first thing I'm going to do when I get the right tools, take this cap off and see if any water comes out of it. If not, I'll turn everything on, hook up to my gas valve if it lights, and make sure everything's all right. And then I have to also go over there to the water heater and do the same with it. So should be fun. Gas lines will leak. Yep. See the water?
Yeah. Oh, wow. So what are you supposed to do?
Good question.
That's their whole pipe when they need gas pipe when they need replaced.
I just gotta get the water out of it. The
vacuum.
biggest, no, you can't do that on these. The biggest thing is if it got in this manifold or gas valve.
That won't even come on, will it? Or it'll just mess up big if you turn it on.
Never really dealt with this before, so I don't know how else to do it. I'm guessing at the very least the gas valve is going to need replaced, but we'll see.
So what's going to be your next step then? You're going to check that component right there you just pointed at.
Check the gas valve. The igniter's probably shot too if it got wet.
So what are you looking for?
The igniter, I said, it's probably shot also if it got wet. Check it real quick. It's so easy to check. Well, I guess there's only one way to find out what will happen.
Oh, Lord.
I'm pretty confident that gas valve is going to be junk. Black thing. This is blue. It's a carbon monoxide detector. Yeah, that could have something to do with it. Gas pressure is way too high. 3.5. Way too high. gas valve. Alright. Unplug that. Unhook that for a second. I had that gas valve because you adjust the pressure right here.
I saw you kind of. Well, I don't know if you was tightening it or
And
loosening
I had it almost completely back down and still.
It didn't even change.
No.
But watching you turning it, and I was trying to see if the numbers were on there, and nothing even happened.
It'd be really nice if I could take this off without removing the whole manifold. So, get this out of the way for a second. Where's that gas valve bag? Or the gas wrench bag? I was picking up on camera, but you can see it's full of water. I wish I could get that on camera. Watch. Full of water. Which means I'm about to take this out anyways. Damn it. I have to take it out and probably take it outside and blow it out with nitrogen. Damn, that sucks. I'm gonna take that off.
You gotta take out. We don't have to take out this, do you?
No, I just gotta take this out.
Oh, okay.
What I probably should do though, I don't have it with me. I was hoping that wouldn't happen. It's nice and wet. Okay, take that. We'll take it outside and hit it with nitrogen. Getting it
back in. Do you need me to hold it or anything for you?
Let me mess with it for a second. bit of water that came out of it though.
Oh yeah. I didn't see the first time, but the second time I saw it go up.
It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, you did that pretty easy. I was gonna say it was pretty. The utmost gentleness too.
So I did that.
Ernie's wire. Oh, my.
Huh?
I was about to say Ernie's wire is supposed to be behind it, but I was like, never mind. They're just above it.
Yeah.
It was a perception thing. I couldn't really see.
Alright, should be good there. The gas is flowing this way. From there, I need to go that way. Alright, there should be some pipe dope in this front pocket. That's the back pocket.
Oh, that's the back pocket. My bad. Oh, I didn't notice that. Shoot. Got some cool bags.
So go ahead and turn the gas back on, and I'm gonna check my connections here. It says hard pipe entering the cabinet before it goes to flex.
That should be good. I haven't turned it on. Oh wait, it's already on. Never mind. What's that, like a gas detector?
Mm.
Just checking if like any leaks are coming up.
Yeah. I think we'll be good, but that igniter is working, but I'm wondering if I should change it. Alright. Manometer up to this. Out. Alright. We should be ready to fire it up. I've got to hook this wire back up. That broke. Alright, door switch on. I'm an idiot because it's going to be a bitch to get this off probably now. There we go. Flame already looks better. And it's bouncing all over the place. Look how it's bouncing. I hope there's not water that's getting in it still. the water's out again. I mean, they say it is. But it shouldn't. Alright, but I mean, there's nothing I can do about what's on the other side of that gas meter. That's all I'm doing. Not all I can do is just let this run for a little bit and see if it stabilizes. Try to back it out enough that it stays under 4. Just let it run for a little bit, it'll work itself out. We'll do that. Go ahead and put this stuff up. Seems like it's starting to calm down a little bit.
This wasn't answered.
That one wasn't. That wasn't. That was in my bag. All in inventory as well. Run for a little bit and see. If it calms down a little bit. While this runs, I guess I'll go ahead and check the water heater. Under 4 at the moment, so I guess we'll go look at the water heater. Right, see if I can get this again.
Greetings.
Turn the gas on.
Calling you. Your mission, should you decide to accept it, is to answer
Click
the
a
phone
fucking
and talk
call.
to him. Important information will be revealed to you during the conversation. The secretary will disavow any knowledge.
Hello? Yeah.
Small gas is pretty strong.
All right. Okay. Bye.
Smell that too?
It's a gas.
Is it?
Yeah. So, my dad said just condemn the water heater. It needs to be replaced. There's gas still coming out of the line. There's just a lot of water coming with it. So what I'm going to do with this is probably leave it about where it's at right now, and most likely have to come back in a month or so and change it again. there's still going to be moisture in the lines. Model, serial, house number 2. Okay, you can dump it. Yeah, it's pretty much empty now.
It's empty now. I missed it.
But this one actually pumped it completely through the gas valve. You can see it.
There's all that gunk that was sitting there on the tip of it.
All the stuff I poured out of it. You can still hear it in there.
That's gross.
Alright, so we'll blow that out. We'll start with the water heater on this one. So it's completely flooded. So it tried to run for a while. And the water tank itself is probably just bad in general.
So you think everything might actually need changed or replaced?
I know that will, and I know this will for sure.
What, this one right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's always hell, dude.
It's junked.
Yeah. Doesn't even look like it's been in
There
that
definitely hasn't. There definitely hasn't been a filter kept in it. The whole bottom of that's rusted out.
How is she getting that filter in dirty ass air?
So that's a hell of a system, a way to install something. I don't know if
put this together. It might have been that guy.
I don't know if I should go ahead and try to bleed the lines out just to give it a head start. I guess I could do that.
Do we need a bucket or anything?
No.
Nah.
I'm not worried about it down here.
You're funny, bro.
So that's one way to do it. Just put a bunch of tape on it. Okay, well,
It's rusted at in those holes probably.
I wonder where the valve's even at for this one. I was hoping I wouldn't run into any like this today. I was hoping I'd be able to fix all of them.